What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to HAGN, the Half-Ass Gunpla Network. My name is Dave, and today we're going to be unboxing probably one of the biggest Zoids other than the Gojilus that I have ever done. And at least this time it's professionally done and not done sitting on the floor in my living room with a phone. So all the way from Florida and the USA Gundam store, we're going to be taking a look at the Supernova Deathstinger. I believe this is in 150 scale. It's the EZ036. I did not do a nice overhead shot or anything like that of the box because the box is actually pretty plain. You get the back side, you get the front side, and you get some shots here on the side. Like I said, this box is freaking huge. It's actually bigger than most PG boxes. Everyone's seen the box. Everyone knows the box. No one cares about the box. Everyone wants to see what comes in the box. So first off, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Please like, subscribe. If you've been here before, then you already know what's coming up. We're going to go through, take a look at all the baggies and everything. We're going to go over the instruction manual, then we're going to go over the runners. So without further ado, let's jump down the table, get the show started. All right, so we're going to be taking a look at what ends up coming in the box in the bags as is. We have our wonderful Chinesium bags. God love the Chinese bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, a water slide sheet, and an instruction manual. All right. So here we are, starting off with the instructions on the Deathstinger. We've got a shot of it here on the front, and yes, I know the lighting is kind of weird, but this is white, and I don't want to blow it out. I want to show you guys the actual instructions, so bear with me. You have the runner layout. You have pages 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14. You have 15 and 16, and if we turn them this way, you can see putting the different areas together. You can see where they have for putting the decals and everything. Now, I'm not sure if these are the decals or if these are for what colors that they're telling you to paint, but I'm pretty sure that they're for the decals. The next 2 pages are going to be shots of all the hatches open, everything all done up, and then you have the back of the instruction manual. Next up, and I'm not going to pull these out, but you have all of the decal sheets, and these are water slides, so not stickers. That is a great thing. Starting off here with runner A, this is going to be in a nice purple, and I've already been impressed after getting everything out of the bag of how this ends up looking. Lots and lots of details on here. Now, I do not have, and I haven't built the original Deathstinger, but from my understanding that this has been actually as well done as the original. You get runner A1, B you get 2 of, and on these on here you get, I don't even know where all these parts go. So, I mean, I'm actually just excited to go. But what is nice is it looks like a majority of the pieces on here are actually undergated. And on something this big, I actually think that's a good thing. Runner B1, and this looks like it's going to be part for the head and then some armor pieces on here. And I actually have to say, looking at it, I don't really see that much texture on here. I'm highly surprised. I'm used to these having a lot of texture for the Chinese kits. Runner C you get 2 of, and this is almost in a pinkish red color. You get runner C1, runner C2, runner D. This is going to be in a clear red. Runner D1, there's going to be 2 of, and again in that clear red. Runner E, you have Chinesium gold, but I have to say, this is actually a decent coating. I'm actually highly impressed. It's not highly reflective, and it's not all swirly and everything, so it's not the gold like you would get from Bandai. It is a coating, but it actually looks pretty damn good. Runner E1, you get 2 of. Now on these, there is no coating on the back side, but there is on the front side. So the good part with that is it means that the pegs are not going to be bigger than the holes that they need to go into, and I am kind of curious of how this is going to end up fitting together. Runner F, you get 2 of. Again, these are going to be in that salmony, I think that's what you would end up calling it, but the salmon color, and these are going to be all the rings that go around all the little joints. Runner G, these are going to be your end caps, your joint caps, however you end up wanting to call it. And you do have swirls on these. It is what it is, but man, these things are freaking huge. Runner I, you get 2 of. On these are going to be in a gunmetal plastic. You do get some swirlies on here. I'm painting it, so it doesn't really matter, but you get some guns, more guns. I don't know what all this crap goes to. Runner J, this has to be 2 of the biggest pieces in this kit, and this is going to be the main body of it. And yes, you can see there are the swirls in the metallics on here. It is what it is. But man, this looks really good. I am really curious of how this is going to go together. I hope it's not too loose, and I hope it's not too tight. Runner K, you get one of. Continuation of body parts on here. Runner L, there's one of. More body parts on here. Damn, there's so many details. All right, so you get a Runner H. These are all polycaps, and look, I can wear these as a ring. They're freaking huge. H1, you get two of, and again, these are going to be more polycaps. Runner M, these are going to be in gunmetal. And here's one thing I do like. I like that they've kept all of the body parts clustered per color. It's literally all the gunmetals, all the reds, all the golds, all of those together. I love it when they end up doing that. It makes it so much easier when you're picking through here. But Runner M, you get one of. Runner N, I can already tell you this is going to be one of the big guns down here, and you only get one of these. Runner P, you get two of, and this is going to be one set of the legs, I believe. Correction, on Runner P, you actually get 4 of these. I don't know how Runner O got into the later mix, but this is Runner O. Looks like your pilot and stuff, and man, this is actually really freaking big. Like, it's bigger than a Gundam 160 scale figure, so yeah. Runner Q, you get 2 of. This looks like probably for the front claw arms. Runner S, these are going to be in silver. You get 2 of these. These are going to be for the joints, the front claws. Looks like a bunch of vents and stuff on here. All right, Runner R, there are 4 of. And again, I think these are going to be for the legs, and this is going to be joints and looks like little pinchers and feet and stuff. These are not coated. These are actually injected in silver. Runner T, you get 2 of, and man, look at these things. They're freaking huge. And these are going to be claws and blades and nippers and blah, blah, blah. Runner U, another one that's going to be in silver. Runner V, there's going to be 1 of, and Runner W, there's going to be 1 of. So in closing, you get 10, 20, 30, 40, you get 46 runners, a water slide sheet, and an instruction manual. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, because what I'm going to do is tomorrow is day 1 of my live stream, and I'm actually going to start working on this guy. I actually have a theme in mind. I want to do a desert scheme with some destroyed buildings and stuff, and I'm going to be doing all this from scratch. I'm also going to be putting LEDs for effects in the guns and also in the body, some different effects and stuff. So if you're interested in how LEDs and stuff end up working and how to set that up on the super cheap, definitely stay tuned. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys all in the next video. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Peace.